livestock and seek safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. for the following county: Dixie, Florida.
Wow. Number 545.
This is a tornado watch.
The National Weather Service issued Tornado Watch number 545.
Effective until 5 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Baker, Clay, Duval, Nassau, and St. John's. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
See if we can get KIH-26.
In and close to the
There
watch
it is.
area. While severe weather
This is
may
my
not,
favorite.
stay tuned. Should remain
This is my
alert for
favorite one,
rapidly changing
KIH-26.
weather conditions and listen for later
State
statements
Mission
and
possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial and public radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Go!
North Putnam County in northeastern Florida until 12:45 p.m. At 12:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hawthorne, 47 miles south of Melrose, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palatka, Interlochen, Pomona Park, Melrose, Hawthorne, George's Lake, Flora Home, Melrose Landing, Cross Creek, and Orange Springs. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for northern and northeastern Florida.
But wait, it wasn't a tornado warning. It was a severe thunderstorm warning. But a tornado
Tornadoes
possible.
can develop quickly from severe
Severe thunderstorms. If you
spot
spot a tornado,
go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room
finally they
on the
brought
lowest
that one
floor of a
back.
building.
It used to go.
The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly
Do
now.
not drive your
And
vehicle
something
through
else.
flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in
You
effect
said
until
that
5
2
p.m.
times.
for northern and northeastern Florida. Repeating, a severe
Thunderstorm warning has been issued.
until 12:45 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Alachua, Marion, and Putnam. You are listening.
So we're talking about a large area.
Cool. Oh shoot! What is this? What is this? Severe thunderstorm warning! My county! Severe thunderstorm warning!
The Southern Plains. Right now, wind gusts around 40 there at DFW, San Antonio, around 22. Wind gusts in Lake Charles are around almost 40 miles per hour. So first, like wind alerts across the
Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Florida County in northeastern Florida.
I knew this was gonna happen.
Until 5 p.m. for northern and northeastern Florida. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Uh-oh. Wait, they didn't say that here!
If you spot a tornado, into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, wait for an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Intense thunderstorm lines produce large tornadoes and widespread storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Uh-oh.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch.
Oh, 2-minute limit!
5 p.m. for northern and northeastern Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Clay, Flagler,
Boy, never mind.
St. John's.
It's close.
You're listening
Okay.
to radio.
Uh-oh. Stay by for special Marine warning.
Weather radio station is in a designated mode due to severe rain. Gusting to 45.
There it goes! Called it! Told ya!
This is a special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to Flagler Beach out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles.
Hold on.
At 12:36 p.m., stronger thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles west of WATERSPOUT to 31 nautical miles west of Home Coast, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly winds and suddenly high waves. Locations impacted include Dorothy Louise Barge, St. Augustine Beach, Beverly Beach, Tournament Beach, Design Beach, Southbound Vero Beach, 99 Beach, St. Augustine, Crescent Beach, Butler Beach, Navy Trail, Marine, Big George's Beach, Guam River State Park, and Palm Coast. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for northeastern Florida. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing their safety-proof life jackets and non-essential crew are below deck. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on hands-on radios, for readiness. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following marine locations: waters from Fernandina Beach to Flagler Beach, 60 nautical miles. This NOAA weather radio station is in abbreviated mode due to severe weather.
Spin the warning!
This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has
Really, again?
a thunderstorm warning for Flagler County in northeastern Florida,
Oh.
eastern St. John's County in northeastern Florida,
Wow.
southeastern Marion County, southeastern Putnam
This
County,
one, isn't it?
northeastern Florida until 2:30 p.m.
We'll just have to see.
At 11:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Paloma Park to Ocklawaha, moving east at
What?
10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Coast, St. Augustine, Palatka, Flagler Beach, Bunnell, Crescent
I'm
City,
sorry, Jacksonville,
Paloma
but can you say that again, please?
Palatka, and Salt Springs. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for northern and northeastern Florida. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
Oh, they reissued it!
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
They reissued it.
Thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for northern and northeastern Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Flagler, Marion, Putnam, and St. Johns.
We better not get another special marine warning. Oh no, we will. Marine warning! Never mind.
This is a special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to Flagler Beach out 20 nautical miles, waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3:30 p.m. At 1:54 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near St. Augustine Beach to 16 nautical miles southwest of Palm Coast, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Dorothy Louise Barge, 9 Mile Reef, St. Augustine Beach, Crescent Beach, Beverly Beach, Butler Beach, Villano Beach, Navy Dreddock, Marineland, Big George's Reef and Palm Coast. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for northeastern Florida. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type I life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following marine locations: waters from Fernandina Beach to Flagler Beach out 60 nautical miles. This is a
What the heck, WNG 522? Oh my gosh! Uh-oh. What happened? Sounds cool. Yeah, that sounds really cool. What happened? Let me see a public information statement. Guys, this is what I saw today as I am editing this video. But, look how many they are. And this is how many they issued this morning. They also issued this. All of these public information statements are regarding other National Weather Service Jacksonville weather radio stations that are being affected by this. But what's weird is I have my HH in my hand right now, but this is KHB 39, and they're working just fine. But when I go to WNG 522, which is 162.425, we get static. So then, this morning I go here. Well, let's see if this works. This is probably not going to work. Oh, there we go. Alright. So then when I go here, look how many Jacksonville transmitters that have been affected. Jessup, Waycross, Palatka, Gainesville, and Lake City. WXJ28, WXK75, KEB97, and KEB97, WXJ60, and WNG522 are all affected. But Jacksonville is not. And so is WWH39. Those two transmitters are not affected. And there's probably others that are not affected, but I have no idea what the heck is going on. So if you have any explanation If you guys have any explanation why this is happening, please tell me in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day and God bless.